The clock is ticking as state lawmakers work to agree on the state's budget for next fiscal year. After a late night Friday, they resumed talks this morning at the State House. Eyewitness News reporter Eric Halperin joins us live in studio with a breakdown of what was decided today and what's next. Eric.
Kate, Saturday sessions at the State House do not happen very often, but after a couple hours in the House chambers this morning, the budget is now in the hands of the Senate. Lawmakers back on the House floor on a Saturday after a late night Friday. Still left on the table, a number of articles in the $10 billion budget. A big part of Saturday's discussion was about Article 15, which is about medical marijuana policy in Rhode Island. Right now, there are 3 dispensaries known as compassion centers in the Ocean State. The article would pave the way for 6 more. Some of the concern was over adding more compassion centers when the number of medical cannabis patients isn't increasing. Questions came up about what growers are then to do with their product.
We are putting local businesses out of business here.
We're talking about an industry that we invited to come and invest in our state. And look at the message we've sent to them.
While legalization is not an option for lawmakers right now, Deputy Speaker Charlene Lima responded, saying this is a step in that direction.
To Representative Tansey, what you need to realize, if it gets into legalization, it's not going to be just 18,200 people. It's going to change to hundreds of thousands of people. So I needed to make that distinction.
But Lima also warned as the marijuana industry expands, Rhode Island needs to keep a very close eye on it.
I warn you today, this will be another 38 studios debacle with indictments in years ahead.
Also in the budget, which passed 64-9, $200,000 for the Nonviolence Institute, a Providence nonprofit which works to prevent gang violence. Earlier in the week, that money had been stripped and no longer in the budget. $1 million previously earmarked for a Cranston chiropractor lawmakers had allocated money to in the past. And there's no word yet on when the Senate will take up the budget. Right now on our website, WPRI.com, my colleagues Ted Nisi and Steph Machado go into more detail on what is in this $10 billion budget. Live in studio, I'm Eric Halperin, Eyewitness News.